Welcome everyone to this exciting moment. Today we embark on a new chapter with the official launch of HCL Domino 14.5. For years, Domino has been the backbone of collaboration and application development for countless organizations worldwide. And this latest version is set to redefine what's possible. Domino 14.5 is more powerful, secure, and intuitive than ever before. Whether on-prem, private, public, or sovereign cloud, Domino will bring secure, trusted innovation and AI to your enterprise. Let's kick it off by hearing from Dario Maisto of Forrester on the rising trend of digital sovereignty and how that's shaping enterprise technology.
Hello, everyone, and thanks HCL Software for having me here today for the launch of Domino version 14.5. Imagine you wake up one day and you are not able to use your Outlook email. You cannot access your hyperscaling cloud infrastructure. What a nightmare. Digital sovereignty essentially means that you do not have a dependency on foreign government decisions and influences. Organizations want to make sure that they will not suffer from the impact of changing political winds, hence granting business continuity and continuity of operations in any given nation and region, independently of foreign governments' decisions and influences. According to Forrester Priority Survey, governments globally plan to increase or maintain their investments in digital sovereignty over the next months. Though there are some regional differences. Some 82% of government respondents in APAC plan to either maintain or to increase their investments, compared to 64% in North America and 58% in Europe. Nowadays, digital sovereignty is the third obstacle to public cloud adoption, just behind GRC, governance, risk and compliance, and data integration, and even above costs. Compliance with regional and industry-specific regulation is the top driver for multi-cloud environments. 47% of global cloud decision makers are expanding public cloud investments over additional cloud providers to respond and meet specific compliances. And digital sovereignty constraints influence the choice of cloud vendors across industries, with financial services and insurance decision makers caring the most. Public sector and healthcare have traditionally seen stricter regulations for their sensitive data and workloads, and have laid down their cloud strategies with digital sovereignty in mind some years ago already. But bear in mind, digital sovereignty doesn't mean on-prem. Cloud sovereignty exists. We might have private cloud options, natively sovereign national providers, public cloud with enhanced guardrails, sovereign offerings from hyperscalers. There's a spectrum of infrastructure that we can actually leverage when we try to achieve infrastructure and cloud sovereignty. Nowadays, we listen to music through Spotify, Amazon Prime Music. We don't own our music anymore. We pay a subscription. But the moment we stop paying the subscription, our playlists are not ours anymore. And this is exactly what happens with SaaS. For example, we don't own the licenses and we don't own the software. Instead, if we buy licenses and deploy on-prem, we are in full control. And the discussion about sovereignty does not end here. Because we might be then tempted to think that open source is the ultimate solution to the ownership problem, but there's a problem of non-identification of coders. Were they citizens? Were they residents? Who wrote the code in the first place? Open source has to be vetted and audited before it can be used for building a sovereign software. Digital sovereignty needs mean much more than privacy and data protection. We have passed the data protection layer. It is about the actual ability of carry on activities and doing business. Digital sovereignty is not only about the data, it's a set of related choices on infrastructure, software, hardware, network, AI, people, and of course the data. Remember that sovereign infrastructure doesn't mean on-prem. Different cloud configurations, different setups can be sovereign depending on the requirements. Sovereign AI is possible, and we can and should plan AI for sovereignty from day one. And remember that a sovereign software entails sovereign infrastructure ownership and, among the others, ownership of the licenses under the strictest sovereignty definition, so that nobody can take the solution away from us. This is digital sovereignty, and this is how it helps our organizations to be resilient in the face of mounting geopolitical volatility. Thank you.
Everyone is rushing to harness AI as they see the potential to boost creativity and productivity. However, selecting the right approach that works within your company's AI policies is key. This is why HCL Software is introducing Domino IQ, an efficient offline AI that can enrich your data and processes within minutes. And you don't need to be a developer to use it. So, why have Domino IQ? Did you know that according to recent research, 1 in 10 AI prompts could expose sensitive data? New AI legislation is coming, and you will need to be able to choose the model that works for your organization's risk profile to avoid heavy fines. With Domino IQ, you can avoid these issues. It could also save you money on expensive vendor subscription models that are not predictable and avoid the risk of losing your data privacy. Domino IQ enables you to find new insights to your decades of organizational data to improve efficiency in your processes, operations, and customer experiences. The core of Domino has always been extended to accommodate IQ, making it faster to deploy and saving you money compared to a DIY approach with extra servers, subscriptions, and moving your data. There is no extra infrastructure or internet connection required, because with Domino IQ, you get to choose the large language model you want to use locally. For developers, we provide LotusScript and Java extensions, as well as REST APIs to make it easier to add IQ to your existing apps and create new ones. Are you ready to see the Domino IQ in action? Let me hand over to my colleague, Thomas Hampel.
All right, thank you, Annalyn. Let me show you how easy it is to add Domino IQ to one of your existing applications. Imagine a Domino app that is used by travel agents to offer personalized excursions for their customers. The options these agents have are endless, and it makes it time-consuming for these agents to deliver better experiences. Now, with Domino IQ, we can help these agents. As an owner of the app, I'm going to leverage Domino IQ insights to speed up the process so these agents can spend more time with customers and less time searching. Once downloaded, I can use it to select what fields I want Domino IQ to include in the summary and then push the design changes into the travel app. Now, we can return to the app and see there is a new drop-down menu at the top. With Domino IQ enabled, the app will be able to easily summarize all excursions. With this small change, the agents will gain 80% of their time back. That's a huge productivity gain for their business and a better experience for their customers. Not only can you build new or upgrade existing applications with Domino IQ, it can also help with managing your day-to-day communication overload. Can you imagine summarizing long mail threads or drafting email replies with Domino IQ? All that is possible with Domino 14.5. After you upgrade, download one or more of Domino IQ examples from the Domino Marketplace to quickly get started. As the product manager for Domino IQ, I have been working with beta testers for months and have already seen amazing new solutions being built. I can't wait to see what you come up with. With that, back to you, Annalyn.
Thanks, Thomas. The feedback from Domino IQ has been overwhelmingly positive. We're adding more intelligent search and reasoning of your existing data with retrieval augmented generation. We want to make the users of your apps more productive. Expect to see more Domino IQ functionality exposed in mobile, desktop, and web clients in the future. Domino IQ opens the door to new innovation. I hope you're as excited about Domino IQ as we are. While Domino IQ is a huge part of this Domino Plus release, there is more Andrew Manby is excited to share with you next.
Thank you, Annalyn. HCL has recently concluded its early access program for Domino 14.5, and we've had over 400 customers actively testing our latest release. We are immensely proud and thankful to them for their feedback that helps us to make this release our best yet. Here are my favorite things from Domino 14.5 and same time 12.03 that will save you time and make you more productive. For our admins, security is at the core of what we do. And with this release, we've added enhanced support for open standards. For example, we've added OIDC support and enabled you to require your users to create passkeys, both of which will make adopting the latest enterprise IT standards with your Domino investment easy. To save you time with server upgrades, we allow you to fully automate server upgrades and apply updates. For those business users who want the freedom to use a browser to run their Domino apps, a new HCL Nomad extension makes Windows desktop integrations easy to create and populate, for example, Excel spreadsheets with data or use a label printer. And the best part is customers don't need to recode anything. It just works. While I'm talking about desktop integration, there's an exciting new extension to the Domino REST APIs that enables seamless online co-editing of attachments within Domino. Enterprises can use open source and commercial productivity tools such as Collabora or Microsoft to edit attachments from a browser, their desktop, or a mobile device. Now, for our same-time users, you've asked us for meeting transcripts, mobile chat, and reader receipts. All of these are now in same-time 12.03. Now, for those same-time admins, you've asked us to make it easy to deploy same-time on Windows. Now, with a non-containerized chat install, you can be up and running in minutes. Today, we ensure our products and services are discoverable, accessible, and readable for everyone by adhering to the new European Accessibility Act standards. HCL has been investing in our web user experience on Verse, Nomad, same-time Domino Leap and Connections to make them accessible ahead of the EAA timeframe. And the Notes client will be next. In the current geopolitical climate, governments are reassessing how they can enhance their national data privacy and security. Today, I'm thrilled to announce that HCL Domino Verse and Sametime have been certified by BSI IT Grundschutz. IT Grundschutz is a well-known framework developed by the German Federal Office for Information Security. It provides a systematic methodology for implementing and maintaining information security management. It's compatible with ISO 27001, which is increasingly being adopted internationally. Government agencies, NGOs, and international companies are repatriating their investments from US-owned cloud and SaaS solutions to private, sovereign, and on-premise solutions. When they do, they want to be assured that the new software they'll be using will be free from foreign government interventions and vulnerabilities. This is where BSI certified solutions verify the security of a product and how to operate it within a SIEM environment. In collaboration with our German partner iLink, they were able to demonstrate that Domino, Verse, and Sametime can be deployed securely on modern platforms such as containers and Kubernetes, and also have now documented the forensics process for reporting, diagnosing, and remediating of incidents. We also provide SIEM best practices and guidance that includes integrating Domino and Sametime with popular tools such as IBM QRadar and Splunk. The information on how to do this will be available on HCL Software U and in our knowledge articles. We believe HCL Software is well positioned with proven cloud-native solutions to immediately replace existing US-owned SaaS solutions or be part of their emergency preparedness infrastructure for sovereign collaboration. While the future may be uncertain, you can rely on HCL Software and our portfolio.
Hi, my name is Sandra Sitter. I'm working for the DZ compliance partner in Germany. We are an outsourcing partner for bankings in the compliance teams.
My name is Martijn de Jong. I'm working as an HCL consultant for e-Office. eOffice is the largest HCL business partner in the Netherlands, and they've been into the Notes and Domino business from the early 90s already.
I'm Michael from the Netherlands. My company is Trip Marketing and we're a business-to-business marketing office running Domino as the base engine under it.
My name is Heiko Voigt from SIT GmbH in Germany. We are a long-standing HCL business partner for more than 30 years in business now, and we focused on more or less hand-tailored applications and solutions for our customers that are built with the Domino portfolio.
I'm Thomas Schmidt from Starnock Software from Germany. We are a developer for Domino software the last 22 years.
We have our own developers which develop an application for that special compliance themes. We are able with that application to manage processes like an industrial standard.
We have one customer who creates a calendaring, a scheduling application for hospitals, so all the surgeons and doctors know where to operate next. And we have also a client that creates central heating systems for people here in the Netherlands, and they use Domino for their service operators to know where they need to go next.
Our customers use Domino today through our website system, so they're we're building websites for our customers, for example, for the railway police, for a real estate broker, and they make money through our sites.
Our customers use Domino today as a very versatile tool. They usually tend to work with Domino solutions and Domino applications when they are faced with time-critical and resource-critical issues. So they have to get something done pretty quickly within their organization that is capable of being rolled out quickly, implemented quickly, and run for indefinite amount of time, basically, in the organization. Within our organization, we work with various industries. We work with government agencies. We work with insurance companies in the public sector, in the manufacturing sector, and our solutions range from point of sales system in a bakery retail chain that runs on Domino with X pages on top of it, up until into a full-blown hardware development documentation system of a manufacturing branch, basically.
My customer uses Domino because it's a great software. They have no problems with all the challenges in the IT because HCL is a great partner. They fixed all the challenges, so they are safe to work with them.
Currently, we have some processes with AI, with other AI software, and now with Domino 40.5, I have the opportunity to make such AI themes with Domino, and so I'm very happy to have that opportunity.
Domino 14.5 will be quite an exciting release for our customers, I think. On one hand, it brings immediate benefit to our customers with the auto-update feature. Auto-update was started already in Domino 14, but really finished in 14.5, where Domino can fully automatically update itself to the latest fix specs. And that will really help our customers to stay up to date with Domino, which makes our life as consultants also easier. But what's really exciting in Domino 14.5 is it sets the foundation for AI inside Domino. There's a lot of applications, Domino applications out there with a huge amount of information, and AI could really bring benefit to customers in dealing in a better way with that huge amount of information, finding trends, finding things about your customers which you might not have realized. So it will be very interesting for us as consultants to really look together with our customers to see what AI could bring for them in their Domino environment.
14.5 will mean a lot to us and our customers because we can bring more and more intelligence into the systems, into the website system, making it more effectively to work and to update and maintain our software.
Domino 14.5, the new release we are all eager for it to come up in June, is for me and also for my customers is a kind of a pivot release, what I call it. I remember the times when these 0.5 releases were coming out. They were always like something like a bringing new capabilities into the system, and you can see the outline for the next couple of years to come. If I remember 4.5, which brought the Domino HTTP server to the product, 8.5 had huge changes in the client that we saw, and 14.5 now brings AI to the table, which offers a complete new bandwidth of applications that we can think of, and our customers are very eager to get their feet wet with this new technology, see how it works, plays out in Domino, and how they can fit it into their business processes.
14.5 is send a clear message. It's be alive and it's evolving. So we have a great product for the future and the challenges of the IT in the futures.
The future with Domino, we will use Domino for the main application in our company. And so HCL has a good roadmap for developing their software, and so we are a partner with HCL.
HCL is really investing quite a lot of resources in bringing Domino to a higher level. And I think it's going to be a very exciting time for us as HCL's largest business partner in the Netherlands to help our customers even better. And for us, it's of course nice when you have something good to bring to your customers. When you go out to your customers and say, have you heard about this new feature of Domino? And make them actually excited again about the products which they often have been using for decades already.
Well, by working or cooperating more and more together, HCL and Web Marketing can show our product to a broader audience, and more people can learn about the product that's out there that we have.
The future of SIT and HCL software together, I think, is looking really bright for us currently. We have a huge momentum currently in an upswing in the market that we see. We see especially, and also thanks to a lot of the political changes we see in the world, we have a lot of discussion right now with customers that have been moving to the cloud and cloud-based solutions about sovereignty and taking back control of data. And also data quality and data security is becoming a bigger and bigger issue with my customer set. And Domino excels at that to a great point. So from that perspective, I think the portfolio from HCL Software works perfectly fine in this area. Our expertise in bringing applications and use cases onto the platform, I think, complement each other pretty well. So I'm really looking forward to this, to the future and to the next ventures that are on the horizon.
We work with HCL because it's a great partner. We have no problems. They talk to us, they help us. Also, they help our customers, and we have no problem with the invests and everything on questions.
Great to see Domino continues to deliver innovation and insights into your apps that run your business. We heard from our partners and customers on the functionality and our team on showing the amazing new capabilities. Thank you for attending, but before you go, we have one more thing.